how are you? Have you ever been to Arunachal? Well, this is the first time I'm visiting Arunachal. Arunachal is known for pristine beauty, a land of lush green forest. Here we are at Shergaon. Beautiful sceneries all around us. This is a beautiful homestay in Shergaon. We will be staying here for 2 days. Here is Kitty and April. See how cute they are. It's a lovely morning and we are on the way to Mandala Top. Oh, jiggly and wiggly roads. Finally, we are at Mandala Top. Ooh, it's so chill in here. Come and enjoy the beauty. Next ride is so exciting. For the very first time, I have seen snow in real. We're going to see the Salapas. Snowy and snowy. Everywhere just snowy. Ooh, it's so freezy out here. Only -4 degrees Celsius. Here's the frozen Sela Lake. Really, it's an awesome place to visit. We're going back to our homestay. See you in the next morning. It's a bright morning. We're going to see the Chili Palm waterfall. Here it is. Our next destination is Chili Palm Monastery. Such a beautiful place. The morning prayer is about to start. Very calm and pleasant here. Do you want to hear the prayer? Well, listen. last and final destination is Buddha Heritage Park. See the huge idol. I'm going to miss this beautiful trip a lot. I'll keep these memories forever. Never miss the chance to visit Arunachal. With that hope, bye-bye!